नाम संकीर्तन की जय। संगीत गौरव बोलना था रघुनाथ दास आपने बोले करो मना मैंने के ये है लेके 20 लाख के बाद में परमाणु हां ऐसी बताना कोरोना का तीन तीन आ रहा दूध बात ओ भगवान नाम कृष्ण समाधया चक्षुर्मिदं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय सर्वभक्ताय वंशाकरुष्य कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वधर्म कृपाल करो निमित्त करेगा कृष्ण विष्णु का और से मार्ग कल्याण सेवाओं दृष्टि मुरा एवं निमित्त करेगा कृष्ण विष्णु का और से मार्ग कल्याण का शिवानंद विष्णु महाराज की और करण हम के बड़ी शास्त्री बदल तत्पश्चात निमित्त करेगा कृष्ण विष्णु का महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा दंडवत
So we were hearing about Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela, Dwadansh, Davinsh Pariched, 22nd Pariched. So we are hearing the education of Sanatana Goswami Pad. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving making the target of Sanatana Goswami Pad, and he is giving this all kinds of shiksha. So we were hearing about that. This is called the Sanatana Shiksha. It is famous by the name of Sanatana Shiksha. So in here we were hearing about Krishna Sambandha Abhiday. Krishna Bhakti is Abhiday and the Krishna Prem is Prayojan Tattva. So we were hearing about two kinds of bhakti, Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. So we have heard about Vaidhi Bhakti. Hindi broadcast is also available. If you want, you can check there.
शास्त्र के अनुशासन लेकर के और जो चलते हैं
So who all are following the rules and regulation of the scriptures, that is called Vaidhi Bhakti.
अभी हम लोग राग भक्ति के बारे में श्रवण करने के लिए होता है।
So we will hear about now about Raga Bhakti.
कोई भक्ति हमें कोई जीवन राग भक्ति लक्षण सुना बनाता रागे का भक्ति मुखा प्रजवती जने आनंद भक्ति प्राणमुगा इष्टे करो कृष्ण गए परम लक्षण इष्टे अवस्थिता अधिष्ठाकारी तदस्थ लक्षण आत्मनि भक्ति है आध्यात्मिका नाम आत्मनि रुद्र है परमभक्तवान रवि जवाबी भावी करे अनुगति शास्त्र युक्ति नहीं माने रागा नुगा भाष्य अंतर्याय अनित साधन बाध्य सागरे करे श्रवण कीर्तन मने मने सिद्ध देव कोरिया भवन रात्रि देने गली करी कृष्ण देव
So Mahaprabhu is going to say, "Hey Sanatan, so I have told you about the Vedic Bhakti. Now I am telling about you the Raganuga Bhakti. So before Raganuga, I will tell you about Ragatmika Bhakti. So in the heart of Brajvasi, spontaneously, they have a deep love for Krishna. You know Anurag? Anurag means, which is deep love. So I have told about in the early morning class. And do have a deep impression in their heart. And they are tied with the love and affections with the Krishna. So Brajvasi always have these feelings in their heart that Krishna is just like a family member of us. Krishna is our one family member. As our Sanatana Goswami Pad is saying, Krishna is our family's member. So if he is happy, then we are happy. If he is sorrow, then we are sorrow. So that's why having a relationship with the Krishna, so they are treating him like that according to their relationship. That is, we say Lokik Sadbandhuvat Preeti. Just like we are seeing in this world, people are living, staying with their family members and like brother, sister, parents. So they have a relationship with their family members. So if they are happy, so we feel happiness. If they are sorrow, so we feel sorrowness. So just like in your family member is going to sick, is suffering, so you automatically you will be suffer. Even your mother, brother, father, daughter, sons, anybody who will suffer spontaneously, you will suffer also, because you have a love towards him or her. So according to our relationship with that person, sometimes we are feeling happy, sometimes we are feeling sorrow, according to their relationship. So in the same way, Brajvasi have the same feeling for Krishna. They are thinking like the Krishna is our family members. So they have a ananya, they have deep love towards Krishna. So Uddhava and Adi Mahabhagavata used to say, are going to say that what is love?
और समुद्र के साथ होता है। ब्रजवासियों के उसी प्रकार के कृष्ण के प्रति ऐसे प्रकार के प्रेम होता है।
Brajvasi have a love and affection towards Krishna.
गोविंद के दुख में दुखी, गोविंद से
When Govind is Dukhi, then they are Dukhi. When Govind is Sukhi, then they are Sukhi.
और कुछ नहीं है।
Because they don't have the Bhagavad wisdom, Bhagavad Buddhi towards Krishna, that he is Bhagwan. Krishna is my son, Krishna. They think like that.
संस्कार पड़ा है।
Because they have a deep impression in their heart that Krishna is our son. And when Uddhav from Mathura came to Vrindavan and asked to Nanda Maharaj,
हमारे साथ है।
when he met to Nanda Maharaj and said,
के द्वारा
so by his knowledge, Uddhav was trying to say,
ये समझाने लगे,
he was making understand Uddhav Maharaj, hey Nanda Maharaj,
आप क्यों रो रहे हैं?
why are you crying?
कृष्ण भगवान है।
Krishna is Bhagwan himself.
ये कहना चाहते हैं।
He want to say like this.
ना भगवान की कोई माता होता है, ना कोई पिता होता है।
So Bhagwan doesn't have any father or mother, no mother and no father.
भगवान की माता पिता है। ये तो जब ये किया कि आपके माता पिता के रूप में स्वीकार किया।
So he has just accepted you in the form of his mother and father. Even in fact, Krishna doesn't have any father and mother. You are thinking him he is your son, but actually he is not your son.
स्वयं भगवान है।
So he is Bhagwan himself.
आप क्यों इतने रो रहे
Why are you crying so much?
हैं? वो आत्माराम, आप्तराम,
He is Atmaram and Aptakam.
ना उनकी भूख लगती है, ना उनकी प्यास लगती
He
है।
never feels like hungry or
बहुत
thirsty.
जैसे भगवान को देते हैं।
So whatever the devotees provide to according to their feelings, Bhagwan accept in the same way.
न माता न पिता,
No mother and no father.
भगवान की माता पिता नहीं होते।
Bhagwan doesn't have any kind of mother and father.
वो अनंत और विश्व ब्रह्मांड के लिए सृजन करने वाले, सृष्टि करने वाले।
So he is the creator of many kinds of Brahman, Ananta Koti Brahman. He is the creator, destroyer, and
जिनकी बिल्कुल
provider.
भूख भी नहीं है।
So just because of his armpits, arms, eyebrows,
उसके कंपन से अनंत करोड़ विश्व ब्रह्मांड का
when this crumbles, so many kinds of Brahman going to destroy.
जिसकी लोक रूप में अनंत करोड़ विश्व ब्रह्मांड का आदि से प्रवेश
They have
करने
Ananta
वाला
Koti Vishnu Brahman in their goosebumps.
है। आज आप उसको पुत्र मान
So you
रहे
are thinking that he is your son.
हैं। इसलिए आप रो रहे हैं।
That's why you are crying.
ये मोह ही है।
This is just a moho. What is moho? It's just a vikar. It's just a vikar. It just tie you in the relationship. In this world,
मोह आदि के द्वारा हम बंधन में
by
पड़
the
जाते हैं।
moho that we are attracting towards people and we are tied with people. We are tied in this world just because of moho.
तब तो विचार नहीं करते।
So if you think about the Tattva Vichar, who is your father, who is your mother? Tattva Vichar is saying like this.
जैसे कहा,
Yesterday when Shankaracharya was saying Mahamudgar, there was a Granth of Mahamudgar, so he was telling about that nobody is your in this world.
और तुम बात कभी का तो ये सब तो चेंज था। ये बात इतना कोई करते कौन तुम्हारे माता पिता है?
Hey, have you think about that? Who is your father? Who is your mother?
अभी जिसको माता पिता
So now you are saying your mother and father, your parents, after leaving your body, nobody will care you. There is no relationship between you and them. Sometimes some people go ahead, sometimes go after that.
माता पिता से छोड़ करके
So when your parents go after leaving their body, so then where they go, you don't know. If we left body earlier, then we will get the body according to our karma. It is actually true. So after leaving one parents, we get another parents. In the same way, in the same way, for like infinite years, we are going in this world, and that repetitions. Who is your wife? Who is your mother? Who is your father? Nobody is yours.
संसार हम होती वो विचित्र इस संसार में
This is very incredible word.
विचित्र सभी माया का है। माया मोह में संसार
So all are suffering according by Maya and Moha.
जब तक हम इस शरीर में हैं, आत्मा
Until
शरीर
we
में
are
है,
in this body, the soul is in this body, we are saying like main, mera, mine and mine, me and mine.
पाप पुण्य आदि
So
कर्म
just because of that, thinking like me and mine, we are doing so many bad deeds or good
फिर
deeds.
शरीर छूट जाता है
So when we left our body,
फिर उसको हम छोड़ के
so after leaving our body,
फिर दूसरी जीवन जन्म लेते हैं
so we get birth in another bomb and we got another new parents. So this is going on for last infinite years. So what actually, who is our actually pita tvami mata cha pita tvami tvami bandhu cha sakha tvami? We never think about that who is our actually parents.
परम पुरुष भगवान जो है
Param Purush Bhagwan,
वही मेरा
he is our eternal father.
वही मुझे रक्षा अधिकार
He always saved me for any kinds of bad things. We never think about that.
इसी की कहा जाता
In
है
the same way,
ज्ञान
that's why it is saying this is called the Gyan Vairagya.
जब तक ज्ञान वैराग्य नहीं हो
Until you will not get the Gyan Vairagya, we will not enter in the Paramartha Marg, in the way of Bhakti. We cannot enter until we will not get the Gyan Vairagya.
चलो आगे उद्धव तो इसी प्रकार
So Uddhav was saying like this, making understand
हे
to
नंद महाराज
Nanda Maharaj. Hey Nanda Maharaj,
वास्तव कृष्ण से भगवान
actually he is Bhagwan. Krishna is Bhagwan himself. He is not your son.
आप उसके पुत्र मान
You are
करके
thinking that he is your son and you are crying.
इसमें एक बात अच्छी है आप महाभारत
But there is a very nice thing, good thing that you are Mahabhagavad. You are very fortunate because getting Bhagwan in his.
भगवान की प्राप्ति करने के लिए लोग कितने कठोर तपस्या आदि करते हैं कृष्ण सुभा आदि के भगवान भगवान किया है देखो दोन धरा की कथा की श्रवण करते हैं
So getting Bhagwan in his child, many people do many austerities, like Krishna Sutpa did many austerities. Nanda Yashoda is Krishna's Nitya father, parents.
যেখানে বা সেখানে মা যশোদার জন্ম হবে অন্য কাউকে হবে না তোমার থেকে হবে না আমার থেকে হবে বড় মায়ের থেকে হবে
निकल है ये जो क्या कराते हैं उनका नाम ही है आप मुझे जानते हैं उनका ही जानते हैं जो मैं सब आता है तो हम लोग जिस कथा को सुने
So the katha we were hearing about.
सारे रात नंद महाराज के लिए कृष्ण के सारे भगवत्ता की कथा श्रवण करते
So whole night, the making and telling the Nanda Maharaj the Bhagavad Tattva Katha of Krishna, and he was saying like this:
आप एक काम में बैठिए घर में बैठिए
you are sitting in this place,
इसमें वही कृष्ण की चिंता करते
that's
रहो
why you are remembering Krishna again and again.
थोड़ा मन में डाइवर्ट करें
Please divert your mind somewhere else.
वहां
Go out
थोड़ा घूम सकते हैं
and walk somewhere.
तो आपके मन में कुछ शांति है।
So you will get some peace in your
इस
mind.
तरह के सुन करके नंद महाराज
So hearing this katha, Nanda Maharaj was saying, "Hey Uddhav,
ऐसे भी स्थान नहीं है
is there any place
हमारे गोपाल की
where is our Gopal doesn't have the feet?"
जब मैं यमुना में स्नान करने
When I was going to Yamuna
अभी
Snan,
तक भी हमारे गोपाल की जो है चरण चिन्ह बालू में पड़ा
so still I have seen the footprints of Gopal there.
है कि नहीं पता कृष्ण के चरण चिन्ह अभी दिखाई पड़ता है
I can see the footprints of Krishna's everywhere, and even in that sand of Yamuna,
और
bank of
यमुना में
Yamuna.
जहाँ जहाँ पर कृष्ण सभाओं के साथ खेल कूदा
So wherever Krishna's played with their friends on the bank of Yamuna, so in that place also the footprints of Krishna is available. So when I see all the footprints of Krishna's there, so I feel so much sorrow in my heart.
नंद महाराज ये करके सिर पर फिसल करके रहने
So thinking that Nanda Maharaj was crying so hard, how he was crying so much, and he was saying, "Hey Uddhav, whatever you said,
देखो
look,
तुम बाल स्वभाव की मत बात कर
you are talking kiddishly,
तुम्हारे मन में तुम
like a child."
मथुरा में महान पंडित हो
So I was thinking that you are a great Pandit in Mathura,
देखो तुम जो कुछ भी आदि बोल रहे हो
but whatever you are saying right now, it's just like saying like a baby, because
पहले तुमने से कहा
earlier you said that Krishna is Bhagwan,
हम तुम्हें विश्वास नहीं करते
we didn't believe it. We don't believe in this. But still, but you said he is Bhagwan for you, whatever you understand.
किंतु उद्धव ये बताओ,
But hey Uddhav, please tell me one thing.
एक व्यक्ति एक मणि माणिक से बहुत मूल्यवान वस्तु प्राप्त किया,
So a person got a money, very valuable things,
मूल्यवान वस्तु के रखा,
and he kept that very valuable things. He don't know that it's very valuable.
बहुत मूल्यवान है, करोड़ रुपए की,
He doesn't know that it is very valuable, very valuable. And suddenly what happened?
वो मूल्यवान वस्तु जो है
That the valuable thing is lost. He has lost.
फिर किसी ने आकर के कहा,
Then somebody told to him, "Oh,
महाभगवान हो,
you are very fortunate.
मूल्यवान वस्तु तुमने प्राप्त की,
You have let this. You got this very valuable things."
क्या वो व्यक्ति भगवान है? ये तो पता ही नहीं था, और फिर वो आज क्या हो गया, वो गायब हो गया।
Actually, that person was don't know that he was Bhagwan, but suddenly he has disappeared. So we don't believe that whatever you said according to the scriptures, whatever you said, we don't believe on that we don't believe that Krishna is Bhagwan. If we think that if there is there any symptoms we seems like that he is Bhagwan, so can we understand, but he is not Bhagwan, he is our son. Bhagwan doesn't have 18 faults. Bhagwan never cried. Bhagwan never cried for hunger and thirst. Bhagwan never tell a lie. But we have seen all the symptoms in our child. Please tell me. According to your language, I am saying that you are saying Bhagwan is saying Atmaram and Aptakam, but my son is not Atmaram and Aptakam. We have seen in our eyes. So for just seeing a little bit butter, his mouth was watering. When Gopiya took a little bit charge, the buttermilk on his hand, so they were saying Krishna, you dance, and Krishna was dancing just for little bit buttermilk. And Kanhaiya used to say, please, you can make me dance anytime. And what that Gopi was doing, they put the cow dung on the forehead and putting the tilak on his all the cheeks and forehead. So the Krishna has a greed, but there is no greed in the Bhagwan. So how he can be Bhagwan? If he doesn't, he has the symptoms like the Narayan symptoms in himself, so we can believe. But he doesn't have any symptoms like this, so how he can be Bhagwan? And now you are saying that our son is Bhagwan. Okay, whatever you are saying. So having this kinds of Bhagwan, now he has gone. If he is Bhagwan, so whatever you are saying, according to you, as I given an example, so somebody got the very valuable things, money, and he has lost that. So is he very fortunate? He is not. Even he doesn't about that it is very valuable, but secondly he has lost that. So how he can be very fortunate?
प्रेम तो उसी कहा जाता है, एक बार यदि उसके साथ जोग हो जाए तो कभी छोड़ता नहीं.
So what is prem then? If somebody has connected with someone, so he never separated. But if he has separated, so they will meet again. So this is the love. This is the example of love. This is the definition of love. So in the Ramayana we are seeing that we heard in the Ramayana that there was a Dasharatha Maharaj. When Ramchandra went to Vanvas or forest, then Dasharatha Maharaj thinking about his son on Haram, he left his body. And my son has gone to left me, and still I am alive. So is I am fortunate? No, I am not fortunate. I don't have love for my son.
को एक तो प्रेमिक था वो दशरथ महाराज।
If you say that there was a lover parents, so he was Dashrath Maharaj. He was a very loving father, because thinking about his his son, he left his body. This is very true. Actually, this is true.
आज हम जीवित हैं।
So now we are alive. So how we don't have love?
तो क्या हम मुझे कहा कि
You
महाभगवान
are saying that you are very fortunate. We are not actually.
जहाँ जहाँ पर मैं जाता हूँ
Wherever I go,
जमुना के तट पर
at the bank of Yamuna or wherever, I just see the footprints, a little bit,
कृष्ण की वही
very small
सबसे
little footprints of
जहाँ
Krishna.
पर कृष्ण के एक चरण चिन्ह है।
There is no place in the Braj that there is no place in Vrindavan where Krishna doesn't have the
आज
footprints.
सभी को भी चरण चिन्ह है।
Even today we see the lotus feet of Krishnas everywhere.
बड़ी बड़ी खान, बड़ी बड़ी खान।
We used to go Charan Pahari, Choti Betha, Badi Betha.
सभी चरण चिन्ह है।
And even today we see the footprints of Krishna, and Krishna used to play the flute,
और वो पत्थर क्या हो गया?
and that stone became melted.
इधर देखो।
That stone was melted, and even we can see the footprints Krishna's till now.
ध्वज, वज्र, अंकुश।
Where Dhajra, Vajra, Ankush, there are 19 kinds of signs there till now.
केवल ये नहीं है।
Even not only
बंसी वादन करते थे।
even not only when Krishna was used to play the flute,
जंगल के पशु पक्षी
all the wild animals, they stumped,
और वो पत्थर पिघल जाने से
and that stone was melted.
और उनकी भी पैर के चिन्ह आज तक हैं।
Still on the footprints of that animals, we can see the footprints of that animals too.
है कि नहीं? गाय के चरण चिन्ह हैं।
There are cows footprints, hirans, deer's footprints also there.
लेकिन बड़ा पत्थर है
There's
और
a
हिरण के चरण चिन्ह हैं।
there is a big stone there, and there are the footprints of deers there.
के चरण चिन्ह हैं।
It is deeper, the 6-inch deeper
कोई काट के
on the stone. Nobody cut it and make that.
हाथी के चिन्ह।
We can see the footprints of elephant, deer footprints, cow footprints. Still they are available here.
वृंदावन ऐसे वृंदावन ऐसे रमणीय स्थान
So that's why Vrindavan is very pious and beautiful
जहाँ जहाँ पर
place.
जाओ
Wherever you go,
समस्त कृष्ण लीला के उद्दीपन
you will get the remembrance of Krishna,
है। इसलिए कहते हैं,
Krishna's pastimes. That's why it is saying,
इसलिए कहते हैं, ये सब छोड़ तो कहीं कहीं नहीं जाऊं, ये सब छोड़ तो बात तो ये ब्रज ऐसे लीला ललन भूमि है।
Brija is very pastime bhumi, land of Krishna, which always remember the Krishna's pastime. Rupa Goswami Pad in Updeshamrit, in the last shlok, is saying that he is saying, this is the essence of my shloka, all the Prishamrit. Braj is very pious land. If we get a little bit taste in Braj, so he cannot go out living Braj everywhere. So our Shad Goswami, 6 Goswami used to live in Braj in a mode of separation. They used to stay at one tree one night. So when you used to read, so we think how they have performed bhajan and sadhan. We cannot perform like that, and even we cannot think about that. But in the Vrindavan trees, sir, in Vrindavan, the trees is the sakshi, is the evidence of the pastime of Radha Krishna. Still, the trees are also available even today. They all are the evidence. All are the witness. So our Goswamis mentioned this philosophy that there are many beautiful places in the Braj. This is true. That's why Nand Maharaj is saying,
कि वास्तव में नंद महाराज देने करके कहने लगे
Nand was saying very humbly,
उद्धव
Hey Uddhav,
मैं क्या
what should I say?
मेरे पुत्र बस तुम जो कुछ भी समझा
He is my son. He is my son only. Whatever you are saying according to your scriptures, you say, I don't mind. But Krishna is my son only. He is my child.
यहाँ पर रघुनाथ भक्ति ये मुख्य जो है प्रधान ये विश्वासी जन में है
So Ragatmika Bhakti is mainly have in the heart of Vrajvasi.
जिनके हृदय में स्वाभाविक रूप में
So spontaneous they have love for Krishna.
ऐसे राग है जिसके दर्शन संभव
They have the spontaneous love in their heart for Krishna. The meaning of rag is, Aji Goswami Pad is saying,
चक्षु रंजिकता इति रागः
Chakshura Ranjita iti raga.
इति रागः जैसे हमारे इंद्रिय आदि जिस प्रकार स्वाभाविक रूप में
As our senses spontaneously
विषय की तरफ चली जाती
attracted towards Vishaya,
है जैसे आंख
just like our eyes, wherever it goes,
है यहाँ पर सुंदर रूप
where the beautiful form is available, so our eyes goes
यह
there.
आंख अपने आप है
Spontaneously it will go there. Our ear spontaneously will go
यहाँ पर सुंदर ध्वनि हो
where the beautiful sound is available.
नाम जो है
Where our nostrils go, where the beautiful fragrance is coming, it accepts that spontaneously. So all the senses will attract towards its subjects. So these all Panchindriya Panchagyanendriya goes to Roop Ras Gandh Sparsh Shabda. That's why Shri Goswami Pad was explaining the word of Raga first. Then they will let us know about the Ragatmika. Rag means so spontaneously our senses goes towards the Vishaya. It's its subject. So the spontaneous goes about Shabd Rupa Gandh Sparsha. In the same way, the Vrajvasis, they have a rag for Krishna spontaneously. They have an impression, deep impression in their heart. They have a deep love towards Krishna. Otprot. What is Otprot? Internally and externally, they have nothing except Krishna. Internally and externally, they have nothing except Krishna. They have all love only for Krishna. So Ragatmik peoples, in their heart, they have the spontaneous love. They have two things spontaneous in their heart. For their Ishta, according to their ras, they have the feelings according to their ras. Just like somebody is Sakhya ras, Sugal Sadam, they have the feeling inside their heart that Krishna is my friend. And they always live like Tanmay, observe their mind in the service of that ras. They have this kinds of feeling in their heart. This is called Radhagatmik Jan. This is what showing. They don't think even a single thing about living Krishna. Day and night, all days, every time. They always observe their mind in the service of. Maybe they belong to Dasharas or Sakyaras or Vatsalya or Madhurya. They always observe their mind. Except Krishna, they even don't think about Krishna. So there are two kinds of symptoms of Ragatmika Jana. First is observe their mind, and the second is Utkantha.
विषय में सदा सर्वदा अभिष्ट रहता है और उस विषय की प्राप्ति के लिए वो उत्कंठा होते रहते हैं।
Just like a person who always attracted towards a Vishaya, the Vishaya, and he always think about to how to get this, I can get this subject, how can I get that Vishaya. I heard a story, I am just telling you.
वो दुकान पर 26 घंटे 24 घंटा दुकान खोल के बैठता था।
There was a sage who always used to open his always used to open his shop 24 hours. He never closed that, shut down that. Devta. So it is saying in Mathura there is a proverb famous that the customer is my Devta and shop is my temple. So he used to open his shop all 24 hours. So he has a jewelry shop. So because there are many precious items there in the shops, sometimes somebody's got marriage anniversaries and something, so that in that time if he is open 24 hours, that is okay. But he used to open the shop 24 hours. But what happened, one day he got sick, he was feeling fever, and his son said, "Father, you are suffering, you have a high fever. Please go to the home and take rest." But what he said, "No, I won't go anywhere, leaving the shop." So what happened? What happened? After some time he got fainted, but still he doesn't want to leave the shop. The doctor came, and doctor see the pulse, check the pulse, and what happened? And he said that he is very high. Doctor said he is very high fever. So when he was thinking, like when doctor was saying he has a high fever, but he was thinking, he was listening that the gold price increases. So he said, how much? So doctor was saying that 105-degree fever you have. So he said, he was thinking, it's 105 rupees has increases. Please go and buy. So thinking like this, he has left his body. So he had a high fever, so he has left his body. Means he was observed his mind in thinking in the gold purchasing and buying, because just like a Vishay person always engage in mind his Vishay, in the same way Vrajvasi has a deep impression, a deep love in their heart for Krishna spontaneously. They are observe their mind of love for Krishna. They cannot live without single moment Krishna. That's why it is saying Tanmata. Tanmay and Utkanta. Note down. Tanmay, Utkanta. There are two kinds of things: Avishtata, Tanmeta. Avishtata, Tanmeta. And they have Utkanta for Tanmay. What is Utkanta? Generally, we should understand that what is Utkanta. Utkanta means we cannot live without the things. That is Utkanta. Now we are eating, sleeping, and doing everything. It's not Utkanta. Just living without Govind. Only without Govind we cannot live. That is called Utkanta. Utkanta. हमें तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है गुरुदेव उत्कंठा क्या है? गुरुदेव भाषा की तरह समझाने के प्राप्ति बिना बना नहीं सकते। जैसे किसी के प्यास लगे तो पानी पीने के लिए क्या करते हैं? छटपटाता। If somebody is thirsty, so what he will do? He will go for water here and there. He will search for water. He cannot live without water. The Narsingh Chaturdashi is coming. It will be too hot. Whole day you have to keep fast. There is too much dark sun, and you have to observe Nirjala. So you will see about the when the Godri, when the evening will come and Narshing Abhishek will be done, so we can get water. So we have this kinds of feeling in our heart. We always think, observe our mind is this way. When Narshing Chaturdashi will come, maybe this 6th of May. 6th of May. So there is a dark sun and too much hot, and the loo will flow. So then you will understand how hot is and what is Narshing Chaturdashi. And then Gurudev, then disciple was not able to understand. Then Gurudev was saying, "You don't do you understand?" So he said, "No, I am not understanding." So what he said, "Okay, come with me tomorrow. Tomorrow you come with me, and we will take for bath. We will go for bath." And now in the morning, son and Guru and disciple both were going for taking bath. So what happens in the Gange? They both were taking shower, taking bath. So there was a chest level water there. So what Gurudev did? So Gurudev caught the head and drawn into the water, And after 2, 4, 5 seconds, he left his head and he came out and he was saying, "Ha, oh, Gurudev, I cannot live. Gurudev said, when I drawn you into the water, so what you were thinking about that at that time? So he was saying, I was just thinking only one thing, how can I take a deep breath? No, nothing I was thinking, nothing else I was thinking about that. I was thinking only that how can I take a deep breath? How can I take a breath? One of our brahmachari used to live in Gopinath Bhavan, is the big one. Parshanand, he is still living there. So at that summer time, in the Jeth time, he went to Keshi Ghat for taking shower, taking bath. And what happened when I was taking bath there? There was a ghost lady. Ghost lady talked him and drawn into the water, and he was unable to go up. It is true. If you ask, then I'm just giving you an example. So he just anyhow he came out, and I was going to die. He said. So what I mean to say? So this is called Utkanta. That at the time that the breathe without he cannot live. So this is called Utkanta. This kinds of feeling you must have in your head. So in the same way, Brajvasi has this kinds of same feeling for meeting Krishna. This is called Utkanta. This Brajvasi have. Even for a single moment, Krishna disappear from his eyes. If you go out somewhere. So this is called Utkanta. Without leaving Govind, he doesn't think even a single moment about anything, any other thing. So under the guidance of this kinds of Brajvasi Jan, so serving Govinda, so getting the Utkanta for serving Govinda, or greediness for serving Govinda under guidance of Brajvasi. That's why our Rupa Goswami path. First he was explaining about Ragatmika Bhakti, about the Nitya Siddha Brajvasi. If we get a little bit Kiran Karni of rays of helping the nature of like Brajvasi, they have the Nitya Siddha Brajvasi. So the Madhurya Bhav, they are serving like if we have a little bit feeling like that, so this is our successful of life. This is called raga. This is called the Raga Naga Bhakti. So my the essence of saying anything, what I said. So the Nitya Siddh Vijvasi, who was the parikar of Krishna, Nanda Yashoda Subal Dham, Radha Lalita Vishakha Shakti Adi, they all are the Nitya parikar of Krishna. So they have the spontaneous love for Krishna. They all spontaneously have this all kinds of feelings. They observe their mind, all the time for Krishna. So the same Brajvasi, so we just have only one hope, that how we can serve him under the guidance of Brajvasi. We cannot serve Krishna directly. So how we can attain the service of Krishna? So the Brajvasi Jan who has a spontaneous love in their heart, so we can serve under the guidance of him. So if we are Vatsalya, then we have to take the shelter of Nanda Yashoda. So we have to serve Nanda Yashoda under the guidance of Nanda Yashoda. And if we have a Sakyaras, then we can serve under the guidance of Subal Sridham. And if we are Madhurya Bhav, then we have to serve Radha Krishna and Radha Lalita Vishakha Adi, etc. So they have the spontaneous love for Krishna. So we have to develop and get the guide under the guidance of Brajvasi Jan. Jai Ho, Hari Bol.
दादाजी तुम्हारे महाराज को बुलाओ तो नहीं तो नरसिंह भाई बुलाओ।
Hare Krishna, Dandavad Pranam.